COVID-19 is bringing out the best and worst in B-Town, it seems. Wednesday brought us news of Deepika Padukone testing positive to Lucky Ali falling prey to a death hoax, Salman Khan swooping in to help an 18-year-old in need, to Jennifer Aniston spreading the word about India's pandemic crisis. Here are the biggest headlines of the day. COVID is not the only thing spreading fast these days. Just wait till you hear all the rumors running wild. One such vicious rumor was claims of singer Lucky Ali's demise. While fans went into a tizzy on social media and offered their condolences and note of love, our bees did a little digging and were relieved to inform you all that this was just another mean death hoax. Bestie Nafisa Ali told our bees he is fine. He does not have COVID. In fact, he has antibodies. He is busy planning his music and concerts. We were talking about virtual concerts happening and all such things. While the COVID news may have been a hoax for Lucky, we couldn't say the same for Deepika Padukone. After word got out about her parents and sister testing positive for the virus, it was later revealed that the actress also tested positive and is currently in Bangalore seeking treatment for the same. There is no word yet about how her hubby Ranveer is doing, considering that the duo flew down to Bangalore to spend some time with the Padukone family. On the other side of town, Salman Khan proved yet again that he has a heart of gold when he helped an 18-year-old boy from Karnataka who sought financial help after his father succumbed to COVID-19. The star didn't just provide the boy with ration and educational equipment, but also assured him that he will be there for him and provide whatever is needed for his betterment. This comes after Salman's initiatives to provide food, medical equipment, and oxygen cylinders to frontline workers, including BMC, doctors, and police personnel across the city. In some heartwarming news coming in from across the seas, we had Friends star Jennifer Aniston joining in to raise awareness about the COVID crisis in India. Taking to her Instagram account, the actress posted a series of stories and wrote, "A severe second wave of corona infections has swept over India, setting global records for new infections each day over the past 5 days." She went on to add, "You don't have to donate to help. Spread the word with whatever platform you have to help build awareness." In some filmy news for the day, we got word that Ajay Devgan's Drishyam 2 has run into legal trouble. Viacom 18 Motion Pictures, who co-produced the first part starring Ajay, Tabbu and Ishita Datta in main roles with Mangat, have legally objected against Mangat's move as they claim that the film's rights belongs to them too. Source told our bees, Viacom 18 Motion Pictures have told Mangat that they cannot be dissociated from this project and that he cannot make Drishyam 2 on his own or with someone else. This prompted the co-producers to file a legal complaint. The first hearing of the case in question is going to be held very soon. And that's all we have for today, but we'll be back tomorrow with more. Until then, bye-bye.